Today we'll be looking at how we can send our Easy Worship feed into Vmix for a smooth live stream as well as for recording. Now, over the time when you record and a Bible is being projected, it's being projected directly to the screen. It doesn't come into your Vmix for you to be able to record everything simultaneously as well as stream everything simultaneously to your audience. Now, this is how to send in your Easy Worship feed into your Vmix. Please kindly like and click the subscribe button, and as well drop a comment on the comment section. Now let's dive into it quickly. Now this is your Vmix, it's been open here. Now for you to draw your Easy Worship feed into your Vmix, this is what you should do. Now you go into your Easy Worship, you open up your Easy Worship. You open up your Easy Worship this way, then you go to the edit option, which is located here. When you go to the edit option, you see options. Under the edit options, then you click on the options, then you wait for it to open up. It's loading. You wait for it to open up, so it will come up with a dialog box where it will give you an option. Okay, it's opened up already. Okay, now you can see from here the output monitor. The output monitor is currently on primary. If an HDMI cord is connected, you also see secondary output, which has to do with sending your live feed directly to the screen or whatever you're using for your live feed. Click on NDI stream option. This is the NDI stream option. You click on it. When you click on it, then you click on OK. Now you've clicked on OK, you go back to your Vmix. Now you want to add the input of that Easy Worship, that is the Bible presentation software, into Vmix. Now you go to add input in your Vmix here. When you click your add input, you click on NDI stroke desktop capture, which is this one here. You click on it, then you see NDI. Under NDI, the Easy Worship Live immediately appears because you have already turned on NDI options on your Easy Worship. Now you click on OK here for you to add the input into your Vmix. You click on OK. Okay, file name cannot be left blank. Okay, you select it first. After selecting it, then you click on OK. Now you have successfully add up the Easy Worship output on your Vmix. Now you can switch in between these inputs from your camera feed to your Bible feed. You can just switch in between these inputs. You can switch in between them like this, like this, like this, like this. Why the service or whatever coverage you're doing is going on. Now, whatever Bible presentation is being done on the software here will appear directly on Vmix. It will go directly into the Vmix presentation software. So you don't have to start imputing Bible in your post-production after your recording. Now, whatever Bible presentation you are doing here, it comes up directly on your feed here. You can see whatever you change here, it changes on your output screen. You can see, then you can present it. Whatever you do here, it changes on your output screen. So that's just the basics of how to put your Easy Worship input on Vmix for you to have an effective live stream, especially during church services. This system works and is more effective for worship services and when someone is being preached. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe to Zico Technologies. Follow us, like, drop a comment section, and drop what you think. Thank you.